Hi guys, so I'm at Animals Lovers Farm and this is it's really pretty, outside. I'm wearing Crocs, so don't mind that. I have a jacket, it's not even that cold, I don't know, tell me to wear a jacket, but she did. I got some eggs, but these, I actually found this actually hanging, this little Easter thing. I don't know what this is, but I found it, and the geese are really annoying, so don't mind that. They're actually annoying, but I don't like the geese. They're kind of annoying. The rooster's all over there. Going back to the coop. God, that's so annoying. The geese are I let the chickens out because I left the door open. They don't go outside. So I'll put this back because I don't know what this was. I found it, but I'm gonna put it back. Let's go put this back. And then yeah. Morning. So once are they gonna come see the chickens? And I'm out for a bit. Put this back because I don't know what this is. You guys can go outside. Where was this? Oh, over here. Hi guys. There we go. Whew. Is there any more eggs or no? What are you guys doing all back there? Oh. Oh yeah. I kind of forgot to say the whole video, but my name is Son, guys, and that's a very choice, but I had to see you guys. I have a little cold, guys. I have a little cough. So I'm not sick, but a little bit. A little cough, but okay, I'm actually kind of better. My nose is a little better. I cough to get the phlegm out. Those are the donkeys. They are so cute. They're like, what does she have on her? The horses, I'm gonna go see them right now. They haven't seen me all day. You guys, I'm gonna go see the horses, okay? Don't bite that. No, it's not nice. Hi, guys. Hi. I missed you. Okay, guys, I need to go see Stay here, please. I have to go see the horses. Go see the horses. Bye. Hi, guys. You guys can come in as well. Yeah, she may not come. If you say bye, then they'll come. I mean, not come. Oh my god. They won't come. There's actually 3 horses. The horses, you see them all over there. They're actually over there, but yeah. I don't know, all their names. I know that Red and Buck. And I forgot the other one. Hello, little donkey. I missed you. I actually didn't miss you. I was sitting there because I felt like this. Oh, no, donkey. No. Yes, sorry, but you can't get out, please. I need you to back up. I love you, but back up. Only the no. Oh my god! See the horse over there? That's biting there. Buck, Red. Hi, Buck. Buck. I know. I thought Buck would have to pee. Something like that. Buck. Buck. Buck is not coming. Okay, the dog. Can I go? You two. Stop fighting. For a moment. Bobby, can I let the donkey out? Or no? Why?
Because he's in here for a reason. Here, I'll come for you.
Yeah, come with me. My dad's gonna come with me. And ew, my hands are gross. How did that happen? I feel like, I don't know why. There's actually a lot of sand, guys. I'll show you. Let me fix a bunch of sand. I don't know. That's poop. Hay over there. A donkey over there. It has horse. But no one rides that one. This is Buck. Wait, is it Buck? Yes, I think it is Buck. And they have some hay over there. Flies everywhere. They're so annoying. They pooped. Hi, Bucky. I'm not riding you. I'm riding Red. This is Buck. He's so sweet. They are honestly really sweet. There's mosquitoes everywhere. I wonder how their hooves are. Oh, yeah. Oh my god, it's red over there. Okay. It's not good. Say hi to the viewers, Buck. Say hi. But it's I say hi. Boy. It's a big booty. The other ones did not see me. They are like over there. Red! Red! You're like all the way over there, guys. I hope I'm recording, so yeah.
The lights on?
The little light's not on.
It's not on?
Yeah, look, it's off.
It's off.